Good morning everybody, welcome to my new old workshop. I've just made this, I took two sheds, put them together. I made a quite nice workspace. As you can see, I've got a bench. Finally, I've got the lathe here. It's still a work in progress. As you can see, the bench isn't exactly finished. I might make a separate video on that. There we go. It is currently 10 past 7 in the morning. About a week ago I made this. This is going to be the logo. This, because we now have a light, it's got to be directed somewhere, and it really accentuates my hair. Yep, this is the logo. I burnt it in with a wood burner, and let's quickly have a look at how that worked, because I did take quite a long video, so let's have a look at that now. Okay, so that was that. This is going to be, these sections here are going to be dremeled in and then stained. So that's what I'm going to start doing today. And I don't have much time today because I have work at 8 o'clock, so I have maybe half an hour to start. So let's get to it. Okay, it is now 7:30. This is how far we got. It's not perfect. I do need to touch up areas in the corners. I will need to sand the bottom flat. Yes, it's a cheap knockoff Dremel. I do have a real Dremel somewhere, but I think it's in the attic. So it's still, all of this needs sorting out. If I turned the camera around and showed you the other end of the shed, you'd understand that nowhere near finished. However, while I was in the middle of doing this, I did think, when I've got this all dremeled out and stained, I'm currently in the middle of making a Lichtenberg fractal machine, which basically is a transformer from a microwave, hooked up to 240 volts, which is the power supply that I've got. That's my rooster, by the way. They're right outside that window. Yes, that's my rooster. We've got one rooster, 4 chickens, and it's 7:30 in the morning. The neighbors probably hate us. So yes, anyway, Lichtenberg fractals is a cool, like, lightning style pattern. I was thinking, once I've made the Lichtenberg machine, which is actually in the middle of being made right now, I have a transformer, I have a power supply, I have a bulb, because I need to know when it's actually on, when the power's going through it. You know, I need to know when it's starting the pattern, when it's stopping the pattern, and it's got a push button. I need to make a cover for it all, I guess. Shut up! My idea was, since this is a nice square-ish block and the logo is central on it, if I get my Lichtenberg machine and put one at either end, at either corner, it'll produce a rather nice lightning effect towards the logo, and will stop when I take my finger off the push button. So hopefully I'll be able to get it to the edge of the logo, maybe on all sides. I might do that as a background, or I might just do a couple to accentuate it, I'm not sure. But yeah, since it is 7:30, I need to go to work. This is how far we've gotten. I'm quite proud of it so far. The lines are nice and straight-ish. I mean, I'm a beginner, and I'm using the actual Dremel rather than the handy little hand tool, which would be a lot easier to control. I'm also covered in spiders, which is not fun, so I need to somehow spider-proof this place. So I will potentially see you tomorrow to get this section finished, cleaned up, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Good afternoon. This is continuation. It's a day and a half later. We need to finish this off, and yes, my hair is still a mess a day and a half later, because it's a perpetual mess. It's basically constant. It's ridiculous. So yeah, part two of this video. It's a single video. Let's get cracking. Alright, so that is as far as I'm going to go for now. I think it looks quite nice, especially with this Dremel bit. Next time, because this is only part one,
I think I'm going to sand this front face down, get rid of all the pencil marks. I've made a few mistakes, I'll try and get them out as well. But I think in the next video we will be testing this bad boy. This is my Lichtenberg machine. Basically, this is the thing that makes those lovely little lightning patterns in the wood. This is made by myself, and I've made the casing for it because it's a high voltage transformer inside here. Next time I'll go through how I made it, which bits, what I use for what. But you can see there's a button and a bulb. You push the button, the bulb comes on, it tells you that it's actually active. And then hopefully we'll do a few practice pieces, and then I'll put some water on this and try and get some nice Lichtenberg fractals going. And I think once that's done, and then it's been stained, that will be it for the logo, and then I can stick it on the start of every video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.